I'm reading for you a poem called We Walk Together in Parallel Universes. We walk together, side by side, sharing healing strength between one another, lighting and lifting each other up to the greatest callings of our soul, whispering back and forth, keep walking, I'm here with you. Keep the faith, the promise will soon be revealed. Keep joy and laughter by your side, for a cheerful heart makes life sweeter. Keep your heart open, for it is the lighthouse that beams rays of hope to heal us and the world at large. Keep the hope alive. Lifetimes we've journeyed, just a few thousand miles to go. In plain and parallel universe, we walk apart yet together in spirit and soul. We walk together in parallel universes. We walk together. Talk to you soon.